Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this particular video, I am going to talk about something amazing yet alluring. Yes, I am going to talk about a very amazing topic, the Continental Drift Theory. So if I ask a quick question to you guys, that how many continents are there in the world in today's era and how many oceans are there? First, for the continents, those guys who will be knowing, they will be saying that yes, there are 7 continents in the world. Am I right? Yes. And those who are knowing, they will be saying that there are 5 oceans in the world. Am I right again? Yes. Fair enough. Good to go. Thumbs up. But if I say that at a time there is just a single continent and a single mega ocean surrounding on the world map, will you be saying yes to my this particular interpretation? I don't know how many of you will be saying. They will be saying, what? What are you saying? I am saying very correct, guys. Yes, I am saying very right. Because there is a theory that is called as the Continental Drift Theory, proposed by a very famous German meteorologist, Alfred Wegener, in the year 1912, which states that the continents and the ocean that is basically been existing today, at a time they used to be just a single super giant continent and a single mega ocean. The giant continent is referred to as the Pangaea at that time, and the ocean is referred to as the Panthalassa at that time. As soon as the time progresses around 200 million years ago, this particular Pangaea continent is split up into 2 further northern and southern subcontinent, namely the Laurasia and the Gondwana land. Yes. And the splitting behind this can be several reasons. If you ask me, I'll say that maybe the pressure created by the magma coming out of the volcanic eruption or the glacial flooding and so on. But not only this, as soon as the time further progresses, these 2 continents further split up into various subcontinents, leading to the formation of the 5 major oceans and the 7 continents that what we know today. So you guys will be thinking, I know most of you will be thinking like, how can we rely on these theories? What is the evidence that this theory is correct enough to describe, yes, there is a time at which there is a single continent, blah, blah, blah. So yes, there are some reliance, there are some evidences that proves that this theory is well enough to describe the formation of the 7 continents and the 5 oceans. So let me give you few evidences. Evidence number 1. So we know that 2 continents today, one is South America and next is Africa. So it has basically been found that the eastern bulge of Brazil in the South American continent fits exactly with the Gulf of Guinea in the African continent. It's very simple. Say you are having a piece of paper. So when you will cut the piece of paper using a scissor into 2 parts, and when you will join these 2 parts or these 2 papers which you have cut down, they will exactly form the paper again. Isn't it? Yes. Fair enough, na? That is actually happening there also. Next evidence is basically with our country India only. The western part of our country India, the Africa continent and the Madagascar island, they also seems to fit exactly with each other when jointed together. Third evidence is basically about Greenland, that basically seems to fit with Ellesmere and the Baffin Islands. Not only this, there are few other evidences also, like the 4th evidence. And it says North and South America on the one side, Africa and Europe on the other side, they also seems to fit each other along the mid-Atlantic ridge. And wait, guys, this is not enough only to, verify the dependence on this particular theory. Mr. Alfred, or should I say Mr. Wegener, also said that when he just looked at the border of these continents, he came to know that the fossils, the fauna, the flora and the diversity that is basically being present at the borders is exactly matching with the borders of the other continents, indicating at a time they are just a single continent which has split up into several other continents with the passage of time. So this is all about the Continental Drift Theory. I hope you all enjoyed this particular video. If yes, do subscribe the bell button. And yes, I'm sweating. So it's time to close the video also. So we'll meet you soon with another interesting video. Till then, bye-bye.